What if I told you one man quietly built a $5.8 billion empire, not with flashy apps or viral tech, but with concrete, code, and CAD? This is the untold story of Georg Nemetschek, a war-era engineer who bet on computers before personal computers even existed, and ended up revolutionizing how the entire world designs and builds everything from skyscrapers to stadiums. This isn't just a business story, it's the blueprint for how one vision can literally reshape our world. In the annals of technological innovation, few stories are as compelling as that of Georg Nemetschek, a man whose vision and determination revolutionized the architecture, engineering, and construction (AEC) industry. Born in 1934 in the midst of tumultuous times in Europe, Nemetschek's journey from a young engineer to the founder of a global software empire is a testament to the power of innovation and perseverance. Georg Nemetschek's early life was shaped by the aftermath of World War II and the subsequent division of Germany. Growing up in this environment of reconstruction and renewal, young Georg developed a keen interest in engineering and the built environment. This fascination would become the cornerstone of his future endeavors. In 1958, Nemetschek graduated from the Technical University of Munich with a degree in civil engineering. It was during his studies that he first encountered the PERM, a tube computer built by Professors Piloty and Sauer. This early exposure to computing technology, along with Konrad Zuse's Z1, sparked a lifelong fascination with the potential of computers in engineering. Upon completing his education, Nemetschek began his career as a structural engineer. However, he was not content with the status quo. The tedious, time-consuming process of manual drafting and calculations frustrated him. He envisioned a future where computers could streamline these processes, reducing errors and increasing efficiency. In 1963, at the age of 29, Georg Nemetschek took a bold step. He founded his own engineering office, Ingenieur Büro für das Bauwesen, an engineering firm for the construction industry, focusing on structural engineering. This move coincided with the construction boom in Germany, providing fertile ground for innovation. Nemetschek's passion for computers and software led him to take a significant risk by investing in software development in the 1960s, a time when personal computers didn't yet exist. His engineering firm was one of the first to use programs to calculate finite elements for highly loaded, irregularly supported slabs. The late 1960s and early 70s marked a period of intense development and innovation for Nemetschek. He and his team worked tirelessly to create software that could automate structural calculations and drafting processes. In 1977, their efforts bore fruit with the release of their first software product for the AEC industry, Static 9777 for civil engineering. Parallel to his entrepreneurial pursuits, Nemetschek began sharing his knowledge and vision with the next generation. In 1971, he was appointed professor at the Munich University of Applied Sciences, heading the Department of Civil Engineering Steel Construction as dean for many years until 1996. He paid particular attention to the practical training of students, ensuring they had access to the latest software and hardware through endowments. The 1980s saw rapid advancement in Nemetschek's software offerings. At the Hanover Fair in 1980, his company presented a groundbreaking software package for integrated calculation and design of standard components for solid construction. This was the first software enabling computer-aided engineering on microcomputers, a product that remained unique in the market for years. In 1984, Nemetschek launched Allplan, a CAD system for architects and engineers that allowed designers to model buildings in 3 dimensions. This product would become the flagship of the company and set new standards in the industry. The late 1980s and 1990s were characterized by international expansion and corporate restructuring. In 1989, Nemetschek Program System GmbH was founded to handle software distribution. By 1996, the company had subsidiaries in 8 European countries and distribution partners in 9 more. In 1992, a development site was established in Bratislava, Slovakia, expanding the company's talent pool. In 1994, the company was renamed Nemetschek AG, setting the stage for its public listing in 1999. This move provided the capital needed for further expansion and development, reflecting Nemetschek's confidence in the future of digital solutions for the AEC industry. The turn of the millennium marked the beginning of a series of strategic acquisitions that would significantly expand Nemetschek's portfolio and global reach. In 2000, the company acquired the American firm Deal Graphsoft, now known as Vectorworks, and Maxon Computer GmbH, renowned for its Cinema 4D software for visualization and animation. These acquisitions diversified Nemetschek's offerings and strengthened its position in the global market. In 2006, Nemetschek made one of its most significant acquisitions, purchasing Hungary's Graphisoft, the creator of the popular Archicad software. This move, along with the acquisition of Belgium's CIA International, solidified Nemetschek's position as a leader in the AEC software industry. The company continued its expansion through acquisitions in the following years, including Data Design System, or DDS, in 2013, Bluebeam Software Inc. in 2014, and Solibri in 2015. Each of these acquisitions brought unique strengths and expanded the group's reach across different segments of the AEC industry. In 2016, the company transformed into Nemetschek SE, truly reflecting its European-wide operations. The acquisition spree continued with SDS2, D-Rofus, Riza, and others, each adding to the company's comprehensive suite of solutions covering the entire lifecycle of building and infrastructure projects. Today, the Nemetschek Group stands as a testament to Georg Nemetschek's vision and perseverance. With over 3,000 employees worldwide and a portfolio of brands that covers the entire lifecycle of building and infrastructure projects, the company continues to be a driving force in the digital transformation of the AEC industry. Nemetschek's impact extends far beyond the company that bears his name. His pioneering work in CAD and Building Information Modeling, or BIM, has fundamentally changed how buildings are designed, constructed, and managed. He has been a strong advocate for open standards and interoperability, recognizing their importance in fostering collaboration within the industry. This commitment is evident in Nemetschek's involvement with organizations like Building Smart E. Georg Nemetschek's contributions to the industry have not gone unrecognized. In 1997, he received the Konrad Zuse Medal as a visionary and successful entrepreneur in the development of information technology in the construction industry. In 2001, he was awarded the Federal Cross of Merit in recognition of his unique life's work. Further honors followed, including the Konrad Zuse plaque in 2013, an induction into the Hall of Fame of IT by Computer Walker magazine in 2014. Beyond his business achievements, Nemetschek has shown a strong commitment to education and social responsibility. In 1996, he established the Professor Georg Nemetschek Foundation to benefit the Faculty of Civil Engineering at Munich University of Applied Sciences. This foundation enabled the establishment of the IABI Institute for Applied Construction Informatics, furthering research and education in the field. In 2007, the Nemetschek family established the Nemetschek Foundation with the goal of strengthening democracy in Germany. Through this foundation, they aim to give back to the free society that shaped their lives and made their entrepreneurial success possible. Most recently, in 2020, Nemetschek founded the Nemetschek Innovation Foundation. This organization focuses on supporting science and research, as well as promoting expertise and excellence in construction in the areas of research, teaching, innovation, and academic life. As of 2024, at the age of 90, Georg Nemetschek remains a significant figure in the company he founded. He continues to hold a controlling interest and the majority of voting rights in Nemetschek SE, which is now listed on both the MDAX and TechDAX. His net worth is estimated at $5.86 billion, making him one of the wealthiest individuals in Germany. Georg Nemetschek's life story is more than just a tale of business success. It's a reminder of the power of innovation to shape our world. From a young engineer with a dream to the founder of a global software empire, Nemetschek's journey embodies the entrepreneurial spirit at its best. His vision of a more efficient, collaborative, and sustainable building process continues to inspire new generations of innovators and entrepreneurs. As we face the challenges of the 21st century, from climate change to rapid urbanization, the tools and vision that Georg Nemetschek pioneered will be more important than ever. His life's work reminds us that with innovation, determination, and a clear vision, we can build a better world, quite literally. The legacy of Georg Nemetschek is not just in the software that bears his name, but in the countless buildings and infrastructure projects around the world that have been made possible by his innovations. It's in the more efficient, sustainable, and beautiful built environment that we all inhabit. And it's in the ongoing digital revolution in the AEC industry that continues to shape our world, driven by the foundation he laid over 6 decades ago.